Hey viewers, this is Rizwan Syed from NRI News, and we are back again with another Indian American doctor who's recently got vaccinated for the COVID 19. So I have with me Dr. Suresh Reddy, who is the immediate past president of API and an Indian American doctor in the United States. Dr. Suresh Reddy, welcome to this video conversation.
Thank you very much for inviting Mr. Rizwan Syed ji. Thank you.
Okay, so Doctor, will start with the questions now. Dr. Reddy, can you let us know what is this COVID fear all about? And this pandemic has created a rage among a lot of people all over the world where they have a fear, and everybody is going through a period of uncertainty. So, can you share your views on this, please?
It's a very great question because it's affected the whole world. Entire global citizens have been affected in a way, not only financially but domestically, psychologically, with a fear which is real. And there are several people, good friend of mine, friends of mine, succumbed to this disease of suffering. They several passed away, and several physicians all over the world died. So this is a real fear, and we have more than 300,000 people died in America. That's a huge number. It's a huge number. It's like right now, every day, the death rate is almost like a one 9/11 event happening every single day. And so that's a real fear. But again, there are some simple ways we can avoid. We have learned over the last 8 months. In the beginning, when it first came, it was like a terror attack and a global attack, like a global war. But now we know how to prevent, avoid a little bit, at least to the maximum we can try, at least to 90 to 95%, we can take care of it by prevention. And the prevention is basically three things we have to be taking care of: wearing mask, social distancing, and hand sanitization. So as long as we follow them strictly, I think we are relatively safe.
Okay, Doctor, going ahead with this conversation, we have now got vaccinations available in the United States, and you are one of the Indian American doctors who've got vaccinated recently. So, how does it feel after vaccination? Do you have any cares that you need to take after the vaccination is done? So, can you share your experience with us on this?
Vaccination is the only real option we have to prevent the disease. And unfortunately, we do not have enough vaccines to give for entire world population. So they are going on a uh, priority basis. First, the healthcare physicians and first responders are getting it. Then the senior citizens will be getting it. Then the general population. Coming to the injection itself, so we have two types of vaccines. So the one I got is the Pfizer one, and it is given in two doses: first dose, and then 3 weeks later the second booster dose. And it's not unusual for vaccines to get booster dose. That's the way they operate. And there are some symptoms. Some people got some symptoms, but I do not have any symptoms. Usually, it's like fatigue, muscle pain, soreness at the puncture site, and the last one is like a fever. Fortunately, I do not have any of those symptoms, and I encourage everybody to take it if they are given an option.
So, doctor, this vaccination, what is the cost of being vaccinated?
This vaccination actually is given on a humanitarian grounds right now.
Okay.
And the companies are also, the pharmaceutical companies, they are not giving on a cost basis. They are, I think some of them are giving for free or at a very nominal price. So the cost is not a problem at this time, but the availability is a problem. So right now, nobody is trying to make any money out of these vaccines, and the cost is, it's not a limiting factor at this point.
So, as you said that, the availability of the vaccine is a challenge right now in the initial stage. But for this vaccine to actually create an effect among the population, what percentage of population needs to be vaccinated so that, everyone can feel safe?
So that's we are talking about a term called herd immunity. That means if you make some people immune, the rest of the immune people also will become immune. Herd immunity is where at least 60% of the population should be either vaccinated or infected, and they form that outer bubble. So you create a bubble covering outside, so the people inside will have that immunity. But we are way away from that. It will take a long time before we. So basically, at this point, we have to aim at 100% giving vaccinations.
So, doctor, once vaccinated now, and you get a booster dose after 3 weeks, so that would happen somewhere in January 2021. How long will this vaccination keep protecting you?
So the protection starts depending upon the company. We use anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks after the second dose.
Okay.
Right now, because these are all done on a fast track, we don't have long-term studies yet. This is all going on a still an investigational basis, and so our hope is it will provide an immunity during the worst part of the winter, or like 3 to 4 months, and hopefully by next summer the immunity system will grow up, and I think will be better.
I mean,
we are hoping around 3 to 4 months, but we don't know. It could last longer or it could last shorter.
Okay, but do you suggest that a person who's vaccinated now would have to be revaccinated after this immunity period?
So yeah, first thing is after these 2 doses are over, your immunity kicks in, over 95% of the people in 1 to 2 weeks. So after 3 months, I think we don't know the answer to that right now, but at that time we can see how the antibodies are coming. Antibodies are the ones that's the fighter force in your body that fights the virus. So depending upon how many you still have, depending upon the antibody levels, you can decide at that time. But still, this is all in the investigation, so we still don't have a right answer for your question at this time.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Reddy, for being here with us today. And we wish you the very best. Stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you again.
And Ridwan, thank you so much. But I have another comment I would like to make.
Sure.
Even though we get vaccinated, I would still recommend that where you following those 3 ideas and three-prong attack: the sanitization, hand sanitization, wearing mask, social distancing should continue for another 1-2 years, just to make sure. We don't know how effective these vaccines are. So keep continuing the safe practices, and hope the vaccines will help us.
So thank you again, doctor. And viewers,
thank you.
Dr. Reddy has got an excellent piece of advice for you. So on the eve of this Christmas and New Year, you follow his advice and stay safe. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.